Magento 2 comes with two themes installed by default. One is blank theme and one is Luma theme. Blank theme, as the name suggests, it comes with blank skeleton, and Luma theme comes with some small design changes. Now to make your storefront look very beautiful, you have to either develop a custom theme or you have to install a theme already developed by third-party modules. Now the first step of installing the theme is, based on your design expectation, you can purchase a theme from a well-known trusted vendor. Once you purchase the theme, next you will be ready to install it. There are a few themes available for free as well, which is developed by third-party vendors or by any individual contributor. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a theme which is available for free, developed by a company. So I will be downloading this theme, which says it is compatible with Magento 2.4. Now here is the link to Magento Marketplace for this theme. I will go to Magento Marketplace. So Magento Marketplace is a location where you can find many themes as well as custom extensions developed by third-party vendors. Now while purchasing this theme, you have to select the edition of your Magento. So this theme is only available for community edition. Next, you have to select your Magento version. So this is very important here. You have to make sure this theme is compatible with your Magento version. I have installed Magento 2.4 in my local system. Whatever theme you are selecting, you have to make sure this theme is compatible with your Magento version. But as you can see here, this theme is only compatible till Magento 2.3, so it is not compatible with Magento 2.4. Now if I go back to the documentation of this theme, it says it is compatible with Magento 2.4. Now I will believe this vendor here and install this theme, because this is only for demo purpose. But when you are purchasing the theme, make sure it is compatible with your Magento version. In our case, our source is Magento Marketplace, so here it says it is compatible with Magento 2.3 only. So in this case, what you can do is you can contact the extension provider. You can ask them whether it will work with your Magento 2.4 or not. If it doesn't work, they might give you support to make it compatible with 2.4, or they can give you one supported Magento theme which works for your Magento version. Next, add this theme to your cart and place the order. I have already purchased this theme, which will be available in my profile. I have to go to my purchases section so that I can download it. Now here you can see this theme is available for download. So the latest version is this one, which is selected by default. There are two different ways to install theme in Magento 2. One is by downloading the theme directories and placing it in your project. Second is you can download themes and install them via Composer. Again, it depends on the extension provider in which way they are giving you an option to install the theme. In this scenario, like in this theme, if you will download it, you will see they are giving only 2 files. So I have downloaded this theme here. Here only 2 files are there with readme. So here we have some instruction on how to install the theme only. We don't have the actual theme directory. In case your extension provider provides you the theme files, you can copy the theme files and paste it here. The location will be design, frontend or admin HTML. This is when your theme provider provides you the theme directory. The second option is to install the theme via Composer. Let's see how you can install it via Composer. To install it via Composer, check the technical details of the theme. So this is the package name of the theme. So we will install it using this package. So from our project root directory, we have to run the Composer require command for this theme. Here you can mention the specific version of your module also, but I will leave it blank, so it will install the latest theme by default. One thing to note here is that during installation it might ask you to provide username and password you can get from Magento Marketplace. You can go to my profile and in access keys section you can get these credentials which you can enter in your terminal. Here you can see the theme is installed. The next step will be to run setup, upgrade and static content deploy command to make sure the database is updated properly and static contents are deployed. I will be sharing these commands with you so that you can easily run them. Okay, so you can see the commands are completed. Now I will go back to Magento admin panel. Now we have to configure the theme which we have just installed. To configure the theme, you have to go to content and configuration section where we can assign this theme to our store. Now based on whether you want to assign it on website level or store level, go to that section. So here you can see the absolute theme which we have just installed is available. I will select this theme and save the configuration. Next, I will clear the cache. Cache is cleared now. Now I will go back to my storefront and refresh my storefront. As you can see, the design of the theme is changed. Now you can see the new design effective here as per the theme which we have just installed. You can see we have successfully installed a theme in our Magento 2 instance. If you have any question, please let me know in comments and I will be happy to help you. Thank you.